Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. Hope you had a nice evening. Guys, thank you very much for the support you have shown. For the returning subscribers, thank you very much. For those who have not subscribed, guys, show love by subscribing to my channel. Okay, today I'm shooting from the kitchen. As you can see, guys, you can guess what I'm preparing today. As you tune in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment on my videos. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a very interesting topic, a very interesting video. It's all about how to make omelette. Guys, stay tuned, and I love you so much. Guys, this is the recipe for making omelette. First, you put the cooking oil kwa pani yako like this. Wait it to boil. When oil is ready, I put my eggs. Now it's time for frying it with an onion and tomato. This one is omelette for eating ugali, guys. This is the unique way of making a nice omelette, guys. As you can see, this is my oil. Now it's time for frying with onion and tomato, guys. And fry your onion until it turns golden brown. This is my onion. Omelette is ready, guys. As you can see, it looks so yummy, and you can serve with ugali or rice. I'm serving with ugali. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.